Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about a new earning opportunity. But before that, if you are new to the channel, I make videos on various earning opportunities, part-time jobs and also about investment opportunities. So I will recommend you to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video from me. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about a new website called as Checkiloss. Now this website is similar to user testing. You have to provide feedback to different softwares and websites, and in return you will be paid some money. I will tell you step by step how to exactly do registration, what are the important settings that you need to do, and also how you will be getting paid. Everything will be in detail, so be with me till the end of the video so that you do not miss any important step in the video. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, once you are at this home page, just click on get paid to test. After that you will see this page, okay, where you'll have to register. Now click on this register now button. Here I will tell you the important steps only because all other details are very basic, like first name, last name, email can be easily filled by you. But I will tell you some important things about internet usage. Now this is a very important step and this will decide how many tests that you will get. So yeah, this is a very important setting. You can choose either 11 to 15 hours per week or 16 hours or per week or more. You can choose any one between these two. Personally, I choose 16 hours per week or more. Now technology used, this is also an important setting. Now only mention the devices that you currently have. Do not mention anything that you do not have, because they will send you tests that will be device specific. So suppose you have selected iPhone and they provide you a iPhone related test, but you do not have an iPhone, then that will create a bad impression on your profile. So definitely choose only the devices that you have. Okay, so once you select the technology used, now the important thing over here is the native language. Native language, you should definitely choose English. But yes, if you know Spanish more than English, then I will recommend you to use Spanish, because most of the tests here are related to Spanish language. Okay, so if you know Spanish more than English, then give Spanish, otherwise English. Okay, don't try to use any other language. Okay, English will be good. Put English, and on the secondary language just provide other. Preferred language is English, and tell how you heard about us. This is just something that you can mention, anything, and then click on next. Let me meet you in the next step. One more thing that many people can get confused is province, county, autonomous community or region. Now these three you can just ignore, okay? But if you want to fill, then yeah, definitely you can give it. Province is your state, region is your city, county you can also fill as city. Okay, just fill these three, or you can also leave it. After that, once you have done all of these, just click on next. Now comes the important step, that is your PayPal email. Now this is the email that is very important because you will be getting paid through your PayPal account. Okay, click on PayPal email, just write the email that you have used to create your PayPal account. Now if you do not have a PayPal account, then I will definitely tell you to create one, because most of the websites they pay through PayPal only. Okay, so once you just write over here, tick this mark and click on confirm. The next step is just about setting your password. Just set it and click on confirm. So once you complete all the previous steps, you will be provided one such screen. Okay, if you see a screen with we are sorry, an error occurred, just refresh the page and you will see this page. Okay, once you see this page, I will tell you exactly what needs to be done. Over here you have to fill your phone number. This is a mandatory field and you must give it. Okay, after you fill that, there is an important thing of basic profile. In the basic profile, the most important part is to add the mobile devices. You must add the mobile devices, because that will help Checkiloss team to provide tests to you. Okay, to provide specific tests to you. Provide the brand that you currently have, the model that you have, and the software version. Suppose you have Android, which version of Android? Android 10, Android 9. Suppose you have iPhone, which version of iOS? So yeah, just mention those things. In basic profile, the only important requirement was to fill the device. After that, this demographic info, education and work, mobile preferences, TV preferences, all these things like bank profile, everything. Okay, everything that is present over here is not mandatory, but if you want, you can definitely fill those, because that will help Checkylog's team to provide you with more tests. Once you are done with this, click on this update button. Now you can see the account has been updated successfully. So guys, the test will be similar to that of user testing. Here they will only provide you a scenario and you will just have to speak through it. Mostly they will provide you a website and they will ask you how is it looking, how do you feel the website look, all those questions. Okay, they will be very basic questions. You will not require any technical skills, only basic English, basic spoken English is enough to do a test over here. Once you complete a test, they take around 15 days to process your payment and you will be paid to your PayPal account directly after that. Now do not expect tests right after you join here. This will be more like TestBird. If you have already seen that video, you must be knowing I made that video around January, and many people told me that we are not getting tests, but recently in the last month many of you told that you have received tests. So this will be just like that. You just register over here and wait. If there will be any test availability, you will be sent an email. Now how frequently you will get tests? You might get around 1 to 2 tests per month. Okay, you will be notified via email. I have got a lot of messages and questions that which mic I use. So I will tell you the exact mic that I have used for the past 1 year. Currently I have upgraded my mic, but previously I used to use a mic which was very cheap and also very effective. I used it for user testing, for all the testing websites, and I never had a problem. So I will definitely recommend you to use JBL C100. So you will find the link in the description. If you like, you can definitely check it out and buy it. It will be helpful for you in user testing, Checkylog's, and in any of the testing websites. And also if you want to record something, or if you want to even use it for your office work, you can definitely use it. It is a really good microphone. I had no problems at all. I hope you will definitely try out this opportunity. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video guys, bye, take care, and guys, happy earning. With